Hey guys, so now we're in this Mini Cooper 2016 with the CIC system, and this is the factory screen right here for the CIC. I'm going to go over how to get in and out of the main menu of the interface. You start by being in the aux mode, which is already there selected on the screen, as you can see in the top right corner. Going to press and hold the home button for about 3 seconds. That brings you into the main menu of our interface. Go to settings, Bluetooth. It's searching right now. There we are, CarPlay 838C00. Select it, pair, allow, use CarPlay, and you'll see that the screen will take over and CarPlay will come up on the screen automatically. Go to exit, setup, reverse option, camera set for aftermarket. Reverse line detect is going to stay off, as that is the 12-volt trigger for manual transmission vehicles, which is not necessary in this vehicle. Display track is on, that is the moving guidelines. The radar is on because the car has parking sensors. No front camera on this one. So that completes our setup for the aftermarket camera. Using Car's BT phone is the option that we want to make sure is on. That allows us to use the factory Bluetooth, and it will automatically transfer audio from the CarPlay interface to the factory Bluetooth. Back to CarPlay.